Hello, good morning students. Welcome back your chemistry class once again. Now today we'll be continue the next topic in the third chapter. The name of chapter is atom and molecules. Okay. So in the last lecture we'll be study about some law of chemical combinations, and second thing that is be discussed is here what is an atom. Okay. Now today we'll be discuss your next article, that is your what are the modern day symbol of atom of different elements. Okay, so first is your, according to Dalton, was the first scientist to use the symbol for elements in very specific sense. Okay, Dalton was the first scientist to use the symbol for elements in very specific sense. When we used a symbol for an element, and he also meant a definite quantity of the elements, that is one atom of that elements. Okay, first time we use the Dalton scientist the symbol of the elements. Okay, but after that the Versailles and another scientist that is also suggest that the symbol of elements be made from one or two letter of the name of elements. So this symbol of the element that is given by the Dalton. After that the name of scientist that is a Versailles, they suggest that the symbol of elements be made from one or two letter of the name of the elements. So here according to the Dalton they give the symbol of element that is your hydrogen, phosphorus, copper, gold, carbon, sulfur, lead, platina, oxygen, iron, silver, mercury. Okay, so these are the some specific elements that is given by the symbol by the Dalton. Okay, next is your, according to the Versailles suggest the symbol of elements that is made from one or two letter of the name of the element. That means कि इन द अर्ली स्टेज जो हम लोग आज पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है, मीन से दैट कि जो हम इन रिसेंट प्रेजेंट टाइम्स में नेम ऑफ लेटर्स को देखते हैं, इट इज़ ऑल्सो सजेस्ट बाय द Versailles scientist. Okay, so in the beginning, the name of element was derived from the name of place where they were found for the first time. For example, the name of copper was taken from Crepus, and some name were taken from specific color. Okay, and some name were taken from specific colors. For example, gold was taken from a English word, and meaning for that is your yellow. Nowadays, that means nowadays in this present time will be named by the IPSC organization. This is the organization name, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Okay, this is your underline full form of IPSC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, is an international scientific organization which approves the name of elements. So nowadays this organization, okay, international scientific organization, provides the, approve the name of the elements with its symbol and units. Many of the symbol are the first one or two letters of the element name in English. Okay, and the first letter of one symbol is always written as a capital letter, that means the use of uppercase, and second letter are used as a small letter, that is your lower case. For example, like your hydrogen, the only use of the one alphabet. Similarly, aluminium, here the use of two. So first one is your uppercase and second one is your lowercase. That means the first letter is used capital and second is your small, but not be right in this pattern. Both are capital. This is your wrong. This is your right. Similarly, cobalt. Cobalt the use C capital first letter and second is your small. Not the use of this pattern. Both are capital. This is your wrong. So, symbol of elements are formed from the first letter of the name and the letters appearing letter in the name. For example, first one is your chlorine and second one is your zinc. The symbol of some elements are formed from the first letter of the name and the letter appearing later in the name. That means chlorine. Chlorine, that means Cl. Okay, so that's why here the first is capital C. Okay, first letter, and the name, the letter appearing later in the name. जो हमारे पास बाद में in the appearing name आता है, that is chlorine, Cl, zinc, Zn. Okay, other symbol have been taken from the name of element, that is your Latin, German or Greek. For example, the symbol of iron is Fe. From its Latin name is your Frem. Sodium is Na, and that is your German or Greek name, that is your Natrium. Potassium is K from Kalium. Therefore, each element has a name and unique chemical symbol. Okay, so in this table they given the some element with proper symbol. So all the students will learn of these elements with symbol. Okay, aluminum is Al, argon is Ar, barium is Va, boron B capital, bromine Br, calcium Ca, carbon C, chlorine Cl, cobalt Co, copper Cu, fluorine F, gold Au, hydrogen H, iodine I, iron Fe, lead Pv, magnesium Mg, neon Ne, nitrogen N, oxygen O, potassium K, silicon Si, silver Ag, sodium Na, sulfur S, uranium U, and zinc Zn. Okay, so they have the symbol for some elements, they are used in your daily life, our life. Okay, so all the students, they learn and to remember the symbol of the elements. The above table is given for you refer to whenever you study about the elements, and do not bother to memorize in all one go. With the passage of the time and repeated uses, you will automatically be able to reproduce the symbols. Okay students, so next time will be discuss your next topic. So firstly we learn of this symbol of elements. Okay, so in the next time I am asking here questions from related to this symbol of elements. So I hope you all understand how to be write the name of elements. First letter is your capital and second letter is your lower case, that means the use of second letter is your small. So you can also see that aluminum is Al, calcium Ca, iron Fe, magnesium Mg, neon Ne. So all these element in the first letter is your capital and second is your small. Okay students, so thank you and have a nice day. I hope you all understand today the topic.